Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Right, all right. Congratulations to us on 37K subscribers. Please, if you are subscribed to this channel, it's not enough. Please share this channel with your friends also to subscribe. Let them enjoy what you've been enjoying for some years now. Right. God bless you in Jesus' name. All right. So today I want to show you. I want to teach you a 3-6-2-5 chord progression in the key of F. So chord voices. So let's say we have this song. I did this course in the key of. I did this video in the key of F, C also. So right. So now imagine playing that like this instead of doing right. So now imagine playing like this. I love this family, right? Of God, right? And then it's passing chords. People are like, wow, I think I love that brother. I love the way he plays. So I'm going to show you these chords now. I'm going to show you these chord voices so that you're going to watch this video and be able to play this chord right away. But then, before then, I want to quickly introduce you to my the advanced passing chords I just released. Advanced passing chord masterclass that I just released recently. So what I did is I did one for the people that play the key of C. I did one for people that play the key of F. Different chords. Then I did one for people who play the key of F sharp. So each of them cost 5,000 naira. It's 5,000 naira for people in Nigeria and $15 for people abroad, and that's the promo price for the first 50 people. So so you can learn a lot, and I know a lot of people wants to learn that. So check the comment section for my WhatsApp contact to inbox me now. If you are abroad, there's the option to pay with PayPal now. Right, so check the comment section and chat me up. I'll be expecting you. God bless you in Jesus' name. Right, so I love this family. I love this family of God. I'm in the key of F. Right. So I'll just give you the chord straight. So you know we are doing 3-6-2-5-1, which is A, D, G, C, and then F. That's the root note. That's the bass line. That's baseline. That's the bass line. All right. So the right hand chords we have for the first chord I have on the left I have A and E. On the right, I have a D. Sorry, I have a G. G for God. G, B, and E. E for egg. Egg. Right, so I'm going to show you what I'm also doing later. Right, I'm doing it's kind of slow then. So for your sixth chord, so for the sixth chord, I'm doing a F sharp, B flat, and E flat. F sharp, B flat, and E flat. Then on the left hand I have a D7, which is a D and C. So then on the 2 I have a G minor 11, right? So on the left you have a G minor, which is a G, right? B flat and D. On the right you have a F major, which is F, A, and C. Okay, so then the last chord but not the least, we have the 5 chord, which is a C and B flat on the left. On the right, you have a E, A flat, B flat, and D. Then to your 1 chord, which is a F, C, E, G, A, C. So together it sounds a hello, this family, or of God. Right. So that's that. So what's the slow I'm doing? When I wanted to play this this chord right here, so I did slow the A to the B to achieve this. Right. This chord is what's this chord? This is E minor. Okay. So I did this. I did slur this A to B on the 3. Then on the 6, I did the same thing. Going down chromatically, I did slur A flat to B flat. So you can do the same thing on 2 also, which is G to A. Then for your 5, just leave that one. Right. So right, this family of God. So that's that. So you should inbox me now to buy the advanced passing chords that I've done, because you don't just want to be a burning player that just plays chord. You want to learn a lot of passing chords, and this course is going to show you a lot of that. Right. So I'll be expecting on my inbox. If you've not clicked the subscribe button, please do that and share this channel with your friends. God bless you. Bye.